We are now going to talk about measuring angles. An angle is formed by two rays with the same endpoint. So for instance, if we have angle, we have ray AB and ray AC, this is named angle, oops, forgot to put the C, angle BAC. Or we can name it just angle A. Now, while we're here, I'm going to skip down to what the vertex of the angle is called. The vertex of the angle is the common endpoint. So the common endpoint of this angle is point A. Point A, the vertex is always put in the middle of the three letters when we name an angle with three letters. Or if we have just one angle, we can name it with just the vertex, like angle A. The sides of the angle are the rays themselves. Side AC would be one side of the angle, and this would be the other side of the angle. Angles have interior and exteriors. This angle, for instance, the interior of the angle is all in here. Now, keep in mind, these arrows say that this angle goes on for, this ray goes on forever and ever. So this is the interior of the angle. Inside the angle. So that of course makes all of this out here the exterior. So we've got two regions formed by the angle itself. Now another way we can name angles, for instance, let's go back over here to angle BAC, or I could call it angle CAB. It does not matter which order we call it. It may also have a number written inside the angle. This could also be called angle 1. Notice how we put the angle symbol in front of it. Angle 1. Now, when we are measuring angles, we measure an angle using a protractor. And we're going to do that in class. We're going to practice that in class so we'll get the hang of it. But there again, you should have already done that. So this should be a review on measuring with a protractor. This part that we're going to talk about now should also be a review. We've got several types of angles, but we're going to talk about 4 specific types of angles right now. This angle is called an acute angle. A-C-U-T-E, an acute angle, because it measures between 0, if this is x degrees, we don't know how many degrees it is. We do know that it measures between 0 and 90 degrees. So 0 is less than x, which is less than 90. Another type of angle we have is a right angle. A right angle, if I could draw it correctly, pretend that this is the right thing. A right angle measures exactly 90 degrees. So we put a little right angle symbol in there to show that it's 90 degrees. But we can show it that x equals 90. Exactly. Another type of angle we have is known as an obtuse angle. An obtuse angle is an angle that measures greater than 90 but less than 180 degrees. So if this is our unknown measure, we know that 90 is going to be less than x, which is going to be less than 180 degrees. So our measure of our angle is between 90 and 180. And the last type of angle we're going to talk about is a straight angle. A straight angle looks like it sounds. It is a straight line. A straight line is a straight angle. For instance, here's the vertex right here. So if we don't know what the measure is, by knowing that it's a straight angle, a straight line is half of a circle. So we know that x is exactly 180 degrees. There are 4 types of angles that we're going to talk about right now.